Lesson number 1 in the market, page 1, term 2. I hope everyone can see my screen. 4.10.21, underline it and write C.W. Monday. Everyone, please write down. First of all, what is the meaning of market? Tejas, what is the meaning of market?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
बाजार बोलते हैं.
Bazaar, the market which we can get everything.
Yes.
हमें मार्केट में सब कुछ मिलता है. Toy, food, vegetables, different kinds of dresses, everything. Market means you can get everything, right? In few areas there is it is being said like vegetable market जो है particular दिन में लगता है, particular day लगता है, ठीक है? So it's like that. So it's a warm up written. Please everyone write down the date and day. Mohi and Nishvi, stop talking to each other, dear. Radhika's mother gives her a list of things to buy. Radhika goes to the market. Add 2 things you want from the market to the list. Okay, over here, mangoes, bangles. Uh, 3 and this 4 is not written, right? So you can write anything you like to do that. Okay? आपके मन में जो भी आ रहा है, ठीक है? आपका favorite चीज, your favorite thing, you can write. Your favorite thing, whatever you want to write, you can write. It can be anything. Your toy, your any favorite fruits, vegetables, anything. Your favorite thing you can write. It is your choice. Akash, bache, put the camera in a proper way so that I can see you, dear. There's a look in front. Now, right, now we'll be start reading. And as I have told you, whenever you are reading, use your index finger while reading with me. जब मैं read out कर रही हूँ, आप भी साथ साथ read out कीजिए so that it is easier for you to read out. Kiansh mother, I have already given the schedule and it is page number 1, term 2. I have already told it in the class. I have already told this, announced it. Now, again, I'm reminding you, please, it's a humble request to all my kids and the parents who are sitting with their ward, make it sure that your ward is reading with me. ठीक है? वो ध्यान दे रहे हैं कि मैं मेरे साथ में वो पढ़ रहे हो. It is market day. That means हर एक जगह में हर एक लोकेशन वाइज एक मार्केट डे होता है. अब इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिलशाद गार्डन में ट्यूसडे मार्केट लगता है. इट इज अ वेजिटेबल मार्केट एंड इफ यू सी दिस पिक्चर ओवर हियर, it is we you can see a lot of vegetables, lot of fruits. There is one bangle store over here. All right, so you can do that. Now it is a market day, so everyone please underline this word market day. My alignment can be a little poor, so bear with me that, because I am doing on the screen, not on the book, so please do that. The market is full of people. Please underline people. Please read out with me. ये एक मार्केट डे है. मार्केट जो है फुल ऑफ पीपल है. बहुत सारे लोग हैं मार्केट में, बहुत सारे लोग हैं मार्केट में. Man, woman and children push each other. That means it says man, please underline man, woman, children push each other. मतलब इतना भीड़ है उस मार्केट में कि जो लोग हैं, पीपल हैं, पीपल के अंदर ये सारे लोग आ जाते हैं, एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे हैं. क्या कर रहे हैं? पुश कर रहे हैं. Please read after me. Now, the vendor call out. Please underline this vendor. What is the meaning of vendor? Who sell the products? Okay. जो सब्जी वाले भैया, हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं? सब्जी वाले भैया वो क्या सेल आउट कर रहे हैं? सब्जी, फ्रूट्स या एनी अदर थिंग. वी कॉल देम वेंडर्स. हु इज सेलिंग something. It can be anything, right? Especially you can say the traders in the street. जो street में ज्यादातर बैठते हैं. जो मार्केट कहाँ लगता है? street में लगता है. तो वहां पे जो भैया बैठे रहते हैं उनको हम vendors कहते हैं. अब जैसे कि you like to eat ice cream, so हम आइसक्रीम वाले भैया के पास जाते हैं, so we'll be calling them vendor. Now the vendor call out flowers. Please underline flowers. Sweet jasmine. Please underline sweet. Please underline jasmines. This is the flower flower name. Pink roses, bangles, red, green. Pink is already underlined. Blue, fresh fruits. Please all of you underline these words. Oranges, grapes. Now what is all this? What is all this? The vendors. There is a lot of vendors. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे vendors हैं. ठीक है? Some of the vendors are calling flowers. Some flower वाला जो vendor है, what he is saying, sweet jasmine, pink roses. If you go to the marketplace, people are loudly announcing, or you can say shouting that flowers, please take the flowers. Please, I am the bangle vendor. Please take the red, green, pink, blue bangles. Fruit wala fruits bolta hai. Fruits, take the fruits. Orange, grapes, apples, whatever it is, the grapes. The vegetable wala bhaiya se hain. The vendors, you can say. what they shout? They shout, take onions, potatoes, cucumbers, whatever the vegetables are, right? Now a little girl stands in front of the bangle seller. She is crying. Oh, now the situation comes. A little girl was standing in front of the bangle seller and she was crying. So everyone please underline little girl stands front seller crying. Okay. So in that situation, इतने भीड़ भाड़ में जब इतना ज्यादा पुश इतने सारे लोग हैं एक दूसरे को पुश कर रहे हैं, एक गर्ल खड़ी थी in front of the bangle seller and she is crying. What's the matter, little girl? Why are you crying? Asked the bangle seller. जो बैंगल सेलर है उसके सामने एक बच्ची रो रही थी, तो वो बैंगल सेलर देख के उससे पूछता, why are you crying? What's the matter? Okay, so please underline it. Please read with me with your index finger. Use your index finger while reading. Okay. Virat, I can see Virat's mother is underlining rather than of Virat. Okay. I want my brother, says the little girl. I want my brother, says the little girl. What's your name? Asked the fruit seller. Okay. So over here, why she was crying, she said, I want my brother. Okay, that means, please underline brother. So the fruit seller, तो उसको रोते हुए देखते हुए कौन आ गया वहां पे? कौन आ गया वहां पे? फ्रूट सेलर भी आ गया. एंड फ्रूट सेलर ने बोला कि व्हाट इज योर नेम. जब कोई रोता है तो हम उसका नाम पूछते हैं ना. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग एवरीवन आस्क? Well, first thing everyone asks is, what's your name? Please tell me your name. So she says, she replied, Anjali. Okay, Anjali, says the little girl. Now, what is the situation? Situation is this. It is a market day. I'm explaining you the first page. Okay, it is a market day. It's a full of people over there. Men, women, children are pushing each other. Means that much crowded it is. Okay, so the vendor is calling out the flower, sweet jasmines, pink roses. The bangle vendors are saying red, green, pink, blue. I have a lot of bangles in different colors. Fruit vegetable vendors are saying the fresh fruits are, they are saying fruits are fresh, please take the orange and grapes. So soon after saying this, there is the bangle seller sees a little girl standing in front of his shop and crying. She is crying. So the bangle seller asks, go and ask, what's the matter, little girl? Why are you crying? So she replied, I want my brother. So the fruit seller asked, what's your name? She replied, Anjali, says the little girl. I'm giving you a few more minutes to underline. Please underline the words which I have done. I hope you all can see my screen. Akarsh, I can't see your face. I can only see your book. Nivesh and Tanmay, please put your hands down, raised hands down. I'm not asking anything. Okay. Now we are going to the next page. Page number 2. Okay. You can see the picture. It's lot many men, people, I mean just men, women, children, vendors, lot many small stalls. Okay, so now what happens? Don't cry, Anjali. I will give you a bright blue bangles, says the bangle seller. Okay. So everyone underline bright. Okay. As the Anjali was crying, so the bangle seller says, "Don't cry, Anjali. I will give you a bright blue bangles." Why? Why they were giving so that Anjali should not cry more, because she got scared that she has missed her in the market. She has lost in the market. So she was crying. To calm her down, the bangle seller thought that he will be giving bright blue bangles to her. And I will give you an orange, says the fruit seller. So the fruit seller says that I will give you an orange, don't cry. I don't want bangles or an orange. I want my brother, says Anjali. So Anjali was crying and says, I don't want bangles. I don't want orange. I want my brother. So, don't cry, says the fruit seller. There is a policeman. Okay. Soon after, when she was crying, she saw a fruit seller saw there is a policeman. He will find your brother. The fruit seller says, see, soon after what happens, a policeman comes, and the fruit seller says that, see, it's a policeman, he will help you. पुलिस से कोई भी नहीं डरेगा. पुलिस इट्स फॉर आवर सेफ्टी, हमारे सेफ्टी के लिए. अगर आपको कोई भी इश्यूज हैं, कोई भी दिक्कत है, सो आप पुलिस के पास जाओगे. ऑलवेज पुलिस हेल्प द पीपल. ओके. It is that is my brother, says Anjali with a big smile. Underline big and smile. So please underline it, these words. Yeah. So what happened? Soon, very soon, she saw her brother, and she saw a big smile, because जैसे ही उसने अपने ब्रदर को देखा, वो खुश हो गई. उसने रोना बंद किया and उसने कहा ये मेरा ब्रदर है, and वो उसके पास चली गई. Okay, this is what happened. Yeah. So please underline it. I'm giving you a few more minutes. Then मैं आपको हिंदी में दोबारा से समझाऊंगी what is there in the chapter. Quickly, why Umang is not wearing the uniform, dear? When you have the uniform, please wear the uniform in regular basis. Kian, sit straight. Kian, sit straight. Okay. Okay. Now, इस chapter में सारे बच्चे, today you all will read this chapter. Okay, what is this chapter? Lesson number 1, in the market. Okay, it is a market day. The market is full of people. एक market, इस चैप्टर में एक मार्केट डे के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. मार्केट में बहुत सारे लोग थे, मेन, वुमेन, चिल्ड्रन. एक मतलब इतना भीड़ था कि पुश कर रहे थे एक दूसरे को. वहां पे वेंडर्स होते हैं. ओके, वेंडर्स कौन होते हैं? जो छोटे छोटे स्टॉल्स लगाते हैं एंड अपनी चीजें बेचते हैं. ठीक है, फ्लावर्स हो गया, बैंगल्स हो गए, फ्रूट्स हो गए, वेजिटेबल्स हो गए, स्मॉल स्मॉल टॉयज हो गए, स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स हो गए. एवरी काइंड ऑफ वेंडर्स यू बी देयर. सो सून आफ्टर वहां पे क्या होता है, बैंगल सेलर के सामने जो स्टॉल होता है उसके सामने एक बच्ची रो रही होती है. क्या कर रही होती है? रो रही होती है. सो बैंगल सेलर उसके पास जाके बोलता है, व्हाट्स द मैटर, आप क्यों रो रहे हो? सो वो क्या बोलती है रो रो के? आई वॉन्ट माई ब्रदर. इतना सारा भीड़ में वो अपने भैया से खो जाती है. मिस भैया आगे चला जाता है या पीछे हो जाता है. यू कैन सी दिस गर्ल ओवर हियर, शी इज क्राइंग. सी दिस गर्ल, सी दिस गर्ल, वो देखो बिल्कुल बैंगल सेलर के सामने रो रही है. तो बैंगल सेलर उससे पूछ रहा है, क्यों रो रहे हो? एकदम से फ्रूट सेलर वाला भैया आके फ्रूट सेलर वेंडर आके पूछता है कि व्हाट्स योर नेम? शी सेज, इट्स माय नेम इज अंजलि. हर नेम इज अंजलि. देन सून आफ्टर क्या होता है? वो जब रो रही होती है तो उसको काम डाउन करने के लिए जो बैंगल्स वाला भैया है, दो वेंडर्स हैं, सो सॉरी, जो वेंडर है वो क्या करता है, उसे कहता है डोंट क्राई, आई विल गिव यू अ ब्राइट ब्लू बैंगल्स। एंड एकदम से फ्रूट सेलर वाला कहता है आई विल गिव यू एन ऑरेंज। तो वो रो के बोलती है नो आई डोंट वांट बैंगल्स, आई डोंट वांट एन ऑरेंज, आई ओनली वांट माय ब्रदर सेज अंजलि। ठीक है, फिर एकदम से फ्रूट सेलर उसको कहता है डोंट क्राई, सी देयर इज अ पुलिसमैन, ही विल हेल्प यू, ही विल फाइंड यू योर ब्रदर, ही विल हेल्प यू। देन एकदम से मिराकली क्या होता है, उसका भैया उसके सामने आ जाता है, उसका ब्रदर, एंड वो खुश हो जाती है, अपना बिग स्माइल दिखाती है और अपने ब्रदर के पास चली जाती है। All have understood the chapter. Please show me your thumb.